What's happening? Huh? Okay, my sweet, sweet children. I'm going to take you on a little trip to Pickle Town. And one cabbage. Take the core out. Nice and neat. Don't want the core. Core is a little bit bitter, so let's get rid of that. Just grab yourself a bowl. Nice empty bowl. And then just finely slice this cabbage. Okay, in the bowl. So this is a nice way of chopping your vegetables. Always keep your little fingertips tucked in like that. You kind of want to feel the top of the knife against your knuckles like that. I'm just going to weigh this first. See how much we're dealing with. 820 grams. I'm going to save some for something else. So turn this into 500 grams. I'm going to add salt to that. About 100 grams of just normal salt. Seems like a lot now, but I'm going to rinse that off afterwards. Actually, let's make that 70 grams. So we've got 500 grams of red cabbage and 70 grams of fine like table salt. And then you just give that a little rub like that. Beautiful. Really get it in there, loosen up all those beautiful little strips of red cabbage. Again, it seems very salty, but you're going to rinse most of that off anyway, so that's all good. You're going to leave this for 2 to 3 hours, so we're going to come back to that later on. Okay? Then, grab a pot. We're going to add these spices, which is 1 small cinnamon stick, a star anise, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, and half a tablespoon of black onion seeds in the pot. And then I'm going to add maybe about 30 black peppercorns. On top of that, I'm going to add 200 ml of red wine, 250 ml of malt vinegar, 250 ml of white wine vinegar. Nice. 200 grams of castor sugar. Just like that. Now we're going to heat that up and bring it to the boil. A little stirry boo. That's going to be our pickling liquid.
How's that pickling going? It smells real acrid. Delicioso.
Okay guys. That's pungent. Just tasting this. That's nice. I'm going to turn this off now. What we need to do now is just to wait for that red cabbage to be done, sort of marinating in this salt. I'm a little bit disturbed. I'm down a few glasses of wine. My housemate Millie just said she'd go out for a cigarette. She was on the phone to one of her friends on the MacBook. She said, "Oh, I should say hello." So I did, and then I spilled a glass of wine on her brand new MacBook. So things are going well. Things are looking up. I'm gonna finish this video. got a red cabbage. It's cured. I'm going to rinse the salt off of it.
Look at that colour, it's beautiful.
By the way, I think that's way too salty. So make 35 grams. 35, then make it 35 grams of table salt. So once you've washed it, just give it a nice little squeeze. And you got your pickling liquid. Add to this. You can strain the seeds and all of that stuff, but I like to keep it in because it's just going to have a flavour. You end up with a nice little bowl of beautiful pickled cabbage. So now you're going to just transfer that into a jar. I've got one here. I won't be able to fit all of that in. Oh, maybe I can. Push it in. Use some of that liquid. And just to top it up. There you have it. Nice pickled cabbage. This lasts up about a month in the fridge, but I think it actually will last a lot longer. And you got more pickling liquid as well. You strain that and then use it for another batch, I suppose. Thanks. Happy pickling.